gonna do Andy Griffith's show over again, but with a black cat. We're gonna switch with Sanford and Son. How about that? Now you got a show. That's what you can imagine that. Yeah, just imagine. Red Fox is Sheriff Taylor. Fred Sanford is Sheriff Taylor. Chris Tucker from Fifth Element is Barney. And of course, Michael Jackson as Opie. Yeah, let's watch now. Damn it, Barney, you asshole. You asshole. What you are, you big dummy? You dummy left the porno on, and now I got the big one. I got the real big one. Why don't you go arrest that suspect? Go ahead and put him in jail. Put his ass in jail.
Hey, call me. I don't think I should do this shit right now, man. I don't know what this has to do with it. Lost in paradise! You got knocked the fuck out!
Where the hell's my son, Opie Michael? Opie Michael, where you at? Where's my boy, Opie Michael? Where you at? Oh, Father. Get back in that room, close that damn door, play with that white glove. Lassie was a good show. Remember that? Hello, girl. What's the matter, girl? Jimmy's got his dick caught where?